Hey artisans! You're the spontaneous, energetic doers who live for the moment. Stress hits hard when you're stuck or bored, right? These hacks are for you and anyone else feeling trapped. Let's break free. Your playful, hands-on vibe hates being tied down. Stress kicks in when life's dull or too tight. Here are 5 easy ways to shake it off. Doodle it out. Grab a pen and scribble shapes, lines, whatever. Your resourceful mind gets antsy with nothing to do. This lets you play fast. It's like shaking loose the stress so you feel free again. Move quick. Step outside and jump, skip, hop for 10 minutes of anything. You're built for action. Sitting still kills your spark. This pumps you up and blasts stress out in a flash. Toss something. Grab a ball, keys. Toss it hand to hand or bounce it. Your energetic body needs a spark. This keeps you loose and in the game. It's a quick trick to ditch that trapped feeling. Call a buddy. Text someone fun. Let's chill and chat fast. Your adaptable side hates being solo too long. Their vibe pulls you back to life. It's a lift that gets your groove going again. Stretch it. Stand up, reach high 5 slow stretches, feel the pull. Your freedom-loving soul gets stiff under pressure. This opens you up easy. It's calm that keeps your flow alive when stress locks you in. Artisans, these are your moves. Anyone can try them too. Which one's your jam? Comment it below. Please subscribe. Next, we will share how to build healthy boundaries. Stay tuned.